Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting basics ready. Power the Hornbill lock and update its firmware in the Hornbill app so pairing is smooth. Next, sign into the Hornbill account inside the app and open the Alexa app on the same phone. Make sure both phone and lock are on the 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This prevents discovery failures. Once done, enable Bluetooth on the phone temporarily, because the Hornbill initially uses local pairing to exchange credentials. This speeds up the cloud link later. Now you link the accounts. In the Alexa app, go to Skills and Games and search for the Hornbill skill, then enable it. When prompted, sign into your Hornbill account to grant Alexa permission to control the lock. This authorizes secure token exchange. After authorization, use Alexa's Discover Devices or tap Add Device and choose Locks. Alexa will query Hornbill's cloud for any paired locks. Be patient during discovery. Make sure the Hornbill app isn't actively in setup mode, because concurrent setup can block discovery. Finish by testing commands. Say, Alexa, lock the front door, and watch the Hornbill respond. This confirms the integration and token permissions. Then create routines in Alexa for automations, like auto lock at night or unlocking with a recognized voice. If the device doesn't appear or fails to control, restart the Hornbill, your router, and the Alexa app to refresh tokens. Make sure the Hornbill account credentials are correct in the Alexa skill. If problems persist, remove and re-enable the Hornbill skill to force reauthorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.